This video is going to show you how to make deep dish apple pie. First, I peeled 10 pounds of apples. I have 2 cups of sugar, regular sugar in here, and 5 tablespoons of cinnamon. I rolled out 1 layer of our pie, and we're making a deep dish apple pie. So you need a pan that has high sides. I roll it out on wax paper in a pan, same size. Put wax paper on the bottom, wax paper on top, roll it out with a rolling pin. Now we're going to fill our bottom part with our apples. First, we're going to put our cinnamon and sugar in. Just dump it in. Mix it up so all the apples have sugar and cinnamon on them. Then we're going to dump it in our pan. These will cook down, that's why I make a nice big high mound. Once you get them in the pan, then spread them out. This is how we always make it when we're feeding a lot of people at one time. You don't have to make 3 or 4 little pies. We just make one big either sheet pan full or a deep dish pie pan full. We have our oven preheating at 375. Once you get that all flattened out, then we do our other layer. Take the wax paper off the top. So you have the wax paper off the top now. Line them up side by side. Then we just flip it on. Just line the dough up while the wax paper is still on the dough, so it's not hanging over the edges. Then peel off the wax paper. Put the dough all the way around. And we're not going to have a side crust either, because we want just for it to lay in there. So you get a little bit of crust with each bite and you don't have a big chunk of just crust on the edge. And do it like that. Then get a fork, poke some holes in it for air. Just like that. Now we're going to put it in the oven on 375 for an hour and a half. Our deep dish apple pie has come out of the oven, all nice and golden brown. I usually sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top when it first comes out of the oven while it's still hot, but since it's holiday season, I'm going to sprinkle a little red sugar all over top of it, and some green sugar. Just to be a little decorative. And that is our holiday deep dish apple pie. I hope you like my recipe. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.